Hello friends, welcome to Brain Gym. Today we are going to discuss about meesho app. So we know right now a lot of members is searching for work from home and mainly the married women. So they just want to do a work from home job because of their family issues or married life, whatever it may be. They are going to prefer work from home jobs. So meesho is one of the reselling platform. In this platform we can easily resell the products to the different kind of customers. The main thing was there is no investment in this app. There is no security or a deposit or whatever it may be. So that is the main thing that everyone is choosing meesho. So now we are going to discuss about the meesho step by step. So this is the meesho app. Recently it was updated. So when we are opening the app we need to log in, right? So here we need to select the language English. Yeah, so this is the home page of meesho. So this is our profile. So I already log in here. So I just give the contact name as SPO office and this is a phone number. We have to add email ID also, prefer the gender. So this is all optional. Language spoken, occupation, business name. So when you are running a business, so like you want to run the business like in a professional way, you need to give a name to your business. So I was going to give feeling of fear, feeling of yeah. So yes, this is my business name along with pin code, city, everything. So save. So this is mine. I just prefer done. Add picture. So do you have any design to represent your business, to market this business? You need to put this picture as your DP. So and the other thing, other info, date of birth, marital status, kids, education, monthly income, education, workplace. So this is an option. If you want to create this, you will create. If you don't want to create this, you will skip this topic. So next thing, this is the help center. My last order was Jivika Pretty Kurtis and I ordered a kurta for my cousin. So do you have any query about this, like refund issues, quality issues, order status, deliveries and refunds, payments, exchange? So those all help topics. So these all the topics. So when you have a problem with a particular thing, you will go and choose the one of these and you will easily refund or return the products, or you can easily clear that problem. So recently there is an update in meesho. At previous times only just in some languages like English and Hindi. So the customer care is only available in English and Hindi languages, but recently they were updated. They will use multiple languages for the better services to their clients. And next, smart coins. When you are ordering a lot of things, you can easily get a smart coins. Like in Flipkart also we are getting some kind of smart coins refunds, right? So this is also one kind of that. So there is a particular criteria. You need to choose a particular clothes in this wear only. So in this wear you can only choose the clothes to get smart coins. So there is an offers. The offers should be changed day by day. You can use your smart coins here also. So change language. If in case do you have any kind of need to change the language, you can easily change your display language here. So I was going to choose Telugu. So the page should be turned into Telugu, right? Go for English. So after that, add your bank and UPI details. When you are reselling the products, you are adding some income to your worth, right? So you need to get amount in your bank account. For that, you have to provide your bank details. So this is my bank and UPI details. Here you can easily add your bank details as IFSC code, your account number, confirm account number, and account holder's name. As per your bank account, everything should be. So this is the main step. So please do it as well as possible. Submit finally. Next, if you need to add UPI details, you can easily add your UPI ID here. Same, submit. This is the last step to add your bank accounts and UPI details. Shared products. Some members is using this with the help of social media or whatever. So someone is using this with the help of Instagram, with the help of WhatsApp groups like that. So someone is running their own WhatsApp group for only reselling products. So when you have to know that this is your wish list product, so when you have to choose a particular product, you can easily wish list it up. And the shared products, and this is viewed like recent searches. Same, my viewed products also be same like recent searches. Payments, transactions, payment modes, spins. So there is one particular thing, when you are reselling a lot of products, you will get daily bonuses and spins also. Like meesho is conducting some games to the resellers. So with the help of this, you can easily spin and get your choices or targets, anything in that. So with the help of these spins, you can easily get the deals. So to reach this position, you have to sell a lot of products. Shops, my followed shops means when you are following a particular kind of thing. So I will show you in after some minutes. Become a supplier. So this is not only for a reseller. Do you have designing any kind of designers in your home or whatever it may be, products, clothes, everything, you also sell with the help of meesho. So this is a become a supplier. Yes, online selling made. So you have to clear all this in step-by-step process. So please watch here. Register as a meesho seller. You can create an account on meesho and list the products you want to sell online. Next, upload catalog and receive orders. You have to upload the catalogs like the products, a particular photo of the product. So you need to upload the categories. Once registered, set up your product page to start selling online on meesho. Shipping and order delivery. So when you are uploading the catalog, you will surely get some questions or some responses regarding that, or someone may be like that, so they need to buy that. So they will order you and you have to ship and order the delivery. And last one is receive payment in your bank account. So these are the step-by-step process. You can easily watch these videos. With the help of these videos, you can easily learn how to sell on meesho. Introduction to supplier panel, how to grow your online business. So there is some tricks and related videos. So start selling. You have to provide some details like your GSTs, each and everything. You need to create an email, a password. Password, whatever it may be. Next, you will surely get a verification link, and this is the GST details. So if you have GST, you can easily add your GST, but without GST, you can't able to receive your amount to the bank account. Why? Because this is the online platform, so there is surely a tax reductions is here. Pickup addresses, next bank details, supplier details. So this is, so you need to clear this. You want to apply for GST, apply now. So for in the steps of applying, you have to pay a certain kind of amount. So when you need to become a supplier, you need to invest some amount. Not only for this, you have to take the tax to all, and this is also helpful. Document collection, registration, and registration fees is 299 rupees. So this is the thing. And after this, we have to add pickup address. Yeah, uploading catalog. Prepare catalogs for meesho. This is the useful links: pricing, commissions, deliveries and returns, catalogs, go live, first orders. So this is all for suppliers, not for resellers. So settings: include text as image while sharing. You want to on? So when we are sharing a certain products, there is a product description also. So when you only have to share the product like photo, only pick up the product, you don't have to enable this. But when you have along with the details, you need to enable this. Rate meesho. So this is a rating and review page. Legals and policies, like there is a legals or some logout option. So this is the main home page or whatever, like the profile of meesho.